don't know, team. We gotta make moves here. And that is how you shatter, ladies and gentlemen. No! No! My clip! Fuck, I'm so washed. Oh.
Come on. Hot, sicker than your average. Papa twist cabbage off instinct. Niggas don't think shit stink. Pink gators. My Detroit players. Tim's for my hooligans in Brooklyn. Dead right. If the head right, Biggie there. Air night. Papa been school since days of under rules. Never lose. Never choose.
The chunk press is in fact pretty low. That is a factual statement. Thank you for the amazing Suzu.
Bro is just trolling.
Guys, I shouted 2 characters. The Juno shouted as well. Guys, we didn't kill the Juno. Why didn't we kill the Juno, guys?
I'm on it.
Nice job.
There we go.
Guys, I pinned the bomb away. Guys, you're welcome.
I put O's and NY onto DKNY. Miami, DC, prefer Versace. All Philly hoes know it's Moschino. Every cutie with the booty, more the coochie. Now who's the real dookie? Meaning who's really the shit? Them niggas ride dicks. Frank White push the 6 on the Lexus LX 4.5. Bulletproof glass tips if I want some ass. Gon' blast me first. Ask questions last. That's how most of these so-called gangsters pass. At last, a nigga rapping about blunts and bras, tits and bras, menage a trois, sex and expensive cars. It still leave you on the pavement. Condo paid for, no car payment. At my arraignment, no for the plaintiff. It was tied up in the Brooklyn basement. Face it, not guilty. That's how I stay true. Richer than rich, so you niggas come and get me.
I think you win this. You're right.
I can fill you with real millionaire shit. That's cargo, my cargo. 160, swiftly. Wreck it by your new one. Crew run, your crew run. I know you sick of this name brand nigga with flows. Girls say he's sweet like licorice. So get with this, nigga, it's easy. Girlfriend, here's a bitch. Call me round 10, come through, have sex on rugs, that's Persian. Come up to your job, hit you while you're working, for certain. Papa freaking, not speaking, leave their ass leaking like rapper demo. Tell them who, take their clothes off slowly. Kill them with the force like Kobe, dick black like Kobe, watch me roam like Romy. Lucky they don't owe me, where to say, show me, homie.
Look, we have right Gosling. And we talk about drives. I got you, big boy.
Thank you, sir. Feeling girly pop.
This hero's fuck, bro.
It's fucking hazard. What can do? What can do? Mercy one.
Oh! That was swag. That was swag.
So
That was
shit.
swag. I did. That was swag.
Oh no, oh no, oh no. That is crazy, no? No. Oh, okay, bro. Alright, bro. Alright, dude.